how to save $10,000 in 1 year, how to start a freelancing side hustle in 30 days. Point 1, the financial reality check. Let's get real for a moment. Saving $10,000 a year isn't going to happen overnight. You're not going to find it under your couch cushions. You need to make a decision today. Think about it. The average American has less than $5,000 in savings. And that number, it's shrinking fast. So how do you break the mold? Start by creating a plan. Without one, you're basically hoping for a miracle. We both know that's not how wealth is built. Here's the brutal truth. Your financial future is a reflection of the decisions you make today. The clock is ticking, and every day you wait is a day you miss out on building that financial cushion. Point 2, why freelancing is your secret weapon. I know what you're thinking, but how can I even find time for a side hustle? Well, here's the thing. Freelancing is the perfect side hustle for busy people. You can start today and you don't need a boss, fancy office, or huge investment. Just a computer and some basic skills. Take a second and look at your skills. Do you have anything you can sell? Maybe you're great at writing, graphic design, social media, or even web development? The beauty of freelancing is that it's scalable. Whether you're working 10 hours a week or 40, you control how much money you make. You could be earning $1,000, $3,000, or even more, all from the comfort of your own home. Now, I can hear you. I'm not qualified enough, I don't have the experience. But trust me, the marketplace is flooded with businesses and entrepreneurs who need exactly what you can provide. The key is positioning yourself as a solution. But we're not just talking about any hustle here. This is the kind of hustle that can change your life. Point 3, setting your financial goals. Now that you're excited about the potential of freelancing, let's dive into how to actually save that $10,000. First things first, set clear, achievable financial goals. If you aim for $10,000, that's roughly $833 a month. Break it down. Do you need to save that entire amount, or can you get part of it from a side hustle? Let's say you aim to earn $500 a month from freelancing. How much can you cut from your current budget to make up the difference? You have to start thinking of money as something you can control, not something that controls you. Track every dollar you save, every dollar you make. Apps like Mint or YNAB, you need a budget, can help. Trust me, keeping track is the key to keeping yourself accountable. Point 4, creating a budget that works. The word budget. Cue the groans, but hear me out. If you want to save $10,000, you need to treat every dollar like it's precious. Stop spending on things that don't move the needle. Start by eliminating unnecessary expenses. Do you really need that extra subscription to 5 streaming services? Or could you drop one? Maybe cooking at home instead of eating out every night could save you $200 a month. These small adjustments add up fast. It's about sacrifice now for freedom later. Here's a simple trick. Take the first 50% of your income and put it into savings, the second 30% into your living expenses, and the final 20% into fun or entertainment. Stick to it. Don't cheat. Your future self will thank you. Point 5, finding your first freelance gig. By now, you've set your goals and started trimming down your budget. It's time to hustle. But here's where it gets good. You can start freelancing today. No waiting, no long setup. Just get out there and start working. First step, create a profile on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Be honest about your skill set and don't be afraid to start small. Look for gigs that match your experience, even if they're low paying at first. As you build your portfolio, your prices will go up. The key is momentum. And here's the kicker. Freelancing doesn't just let you make money today, it teaches you how to scale. Maybe you start with $500 a month, but what if you start landing 2 to 3 clients a month? You could easily hit your $10,000 target. Point 6, creating passive income streams. But here's the secret you need to hear. Freelancing can be the start of something bigger. What if you could generate passive income while you sleep? Imagine earning money without working for every single dollar. How do you do that? Diversify your income streams. Maybe you create a digital product, an ebook, an online course, or a membership site. Maybe you even start investing your earnings to grow that $10,000 into something more. Passive income is how wealth is built long-term. But here's the catch. You won't get there without taking action. Your future wealth starts now. You have to start today because tomorrow is never promised. If you take anything away from this video, let it be this. You have the power to change your financial future. The road to $10,000 is paved with small, consistent actions starting right now. So, are you ready to get started? Are you ready to stop dreaming and start doing? Your $10,000 goal is closer than you think. Don't let fear or procrastination stop you. This is your time. And hey, if you've learned something today, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and share this video with someone who needs a little inspiration. Let's get to work, and let's make this year the one where your financial dreams come true.